Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have another humble bundle of interest to game developers, and frankly this is one of my favorite sets of bundle. This one is from Ovani Sound. They make really high-end game-focused soundtracks and sound effect packs, but the coolest thing that they've always done is when you pick up one of these humble bundles, everything you're getting is brand new. So they've not been in a previous bundle. So if you were looking to be building up your soundtrack or your sound effects library, these Ovani bundles are about as good as it gets, because again, each one is pretty much completely new. There is one exception, technically three exceptions, and those are plugins that are available. So you get an idea of what is available in this pack. It is organized into tiers. You buy a $100 value tier, you get all of the stuff below it. At the $1 tier, you are getting a grand total of 6 packs, which is a very impressive $1 tier, to be honest. Here you're getting the Funk Music Pack, the Action Flick Pack, Musical Pack Volume 3, the Sci-Fi Horror Sound Effect Pack Volume 2, Player Status Volume 2, and the Destruction Sound Effects Pack Volume 2. I'll show you exactly how these work in a bit. Their sound effect packs are actually a little bit different than what you were used to, because they've got this cool extra functionality. Again, we'll get back to that in just a second. Then you go to the median price tier. This is based off the average bid. You're getting the Keys Music Pack Volume 1, the Electricity Sound Effects Pack, the Electronic Music Pack, Superheroes Pack, Sci-Fi Music Pack Volume 2, Ethereal Music Pack Volume 3, Children's Music Pack, Robotic Being Sound Effects, Japanese Music Pack 4, electronics, then we got fantasy music, synth fantasy music, and then I think we're back into the repeats, and then finally we get into the full fat bundle. So you're looking at just $20 as well. Yeah, $20 is $28 Canadian these days, but yes, for $20 you are getting a grand total of 35 items, which includes one for combos, crits, and so on, sound effect packs in a fighting game, casual music pack, chip tune pack, dark fantasy volume 2, orchestral, ambient music, UI and menu, sound effects, mixtape, environmental ambience, medieval fantasy, a couple of horror packs there, and then we got some voice-over, voice acting ones there as well. And then here's where it kind of gets special. These are the repeats. So these are the things that have been available in previous bundles, because these are the plugins to make it so that these music files can work with these game engines. So you're getting Unity, Unreal, and Godot plugins. You don't need to use them, by the way. You could easily use these yourself, but as we will see in just a sec, when I look at one of these music packs, they are pretty special in how they're set up, and these plugins make it work with the 3 major game engines out there. And then you got everything else we saw before. By the way, one thing you will notice, if you do use my link, you do help support me, and thank you so much if you do. If you have trouble with my link, it generally comes down to uBlock Origin does not like humble affiliate links anymore. Sorry about that. Hopefully it does get resolved shortly, but you'll notice there is no longer a slider, but supporting me does support me. So thank you very much if you do use my link. So ladies and gentlemen, let's check out what you get. These actually redeem over on the Ovani store. So here is Ovani themselves. As you can see, they've got an absolute ton of content over there by categories and genre if you want to go and check out and get an additional pack. These particular packs are redeemed on the Ovani store. So for example, you download the Godot music plugin right here, click and grab it. Reasonably fast downloads from their servers, and then all of your packs are available over here. So again, I've had a number of these simply because there have been a number of Ovani Sound packs, and the cool thing, once again, with all their humble bundles, they always release brand new stuff. So you don't have to check to see if you already own it, because even if you've been buying their stuff in the past, you probably only own the plugins at this point in time. So let's go take a look at how these work. So let's go file up. So I've just downloaded 2 packs at random, just to give you an idea of what the sound effects look like. They come down as zip files here. Let's open this one up. So you're going to see here, you're getting, so this was for gunshots. I don't even know if this is in the pack, but you get an idea of breakdown. The sound effect stuff is as straightforward as it gets, because you're going to see here, it's organized into categories, so like bullets and so on, hitting that way. Also notice details of the license are available here. This is actually a redirect to a website, so if you want to go ahead and check it out, you could check out the license at the ovanisound.com/policies/terms of service. But to be honest, the license is very straightforward. It allows you to use it royalty-free and in a variety of different areas. You can see from the sound effect pack, they're very broad in what they support. So there's a number of different sound effects in that particular pack. So you see here a number of different calibers for sound effects, for example, and here is a quick demo. It's a bullet. You get an idea. Sound effects sound exactly what sound effects sound like, but the cool thing here is actually when we get into the music pack, and all their music packs are set up the same, and again, you do get a plugin to work with these. So here you can see an example of music pack. You can see this number at the end is a code you put in to the settings for, I think it's long tail or the fall off or something. But you'll see here, each sound effect pack, it's organized into separate different intensities. So if you're using these in your game, say you got a horror game, you want to ramp up the intensity, you're getting these multiple different intensities of thing. By the way, you could create your own version of this. Another thing to notice is these are all WAV files. So if you want to bring them down, make them smaller, you could export them into OGG Vorbis or MP3 or whatever you wish, but you're getting them in pretty much the uncompressed form. All right, so you're seeing like the lower intensity, but then we've got like a higher intensity. And they all do this. Every single one of their sound effect packs is set up the same way. So you've got these multiple different settings, and then in your game, you can basically just crank up a slider for the intensity and have it dynamically go up. So again, if you're creating a game and you want to have that scaling sense of like foreboding or whatever, it's built into here to all of their music packs. Every single one of their music packs has all of these same versions in it. That's part of what makes Ovani stuff so cool. And again, there are plugins for playing with Godot, Unreal, and Unity. I think I've actually covered all three of those in previous videos on how to use it in previous Ovani bundles. So I'm not going to show you how to actually go ahead and use them, but one of the cool things I'll show you again, let's go back here to downloads. If you actually download any one of these, so here example is the Godot one, and you extract that out, and this is the same for Unreal and Unity, you're going to find if you open it up, there is an MP4.
Hello, and you could just click on that
walks you through. So here you can see, for example, setting up the 3 different intensities, the loop 30 and the loop 60, and then that value they gave you at the end of the file name, that is the reverb tail, by the way. So this is all you do to set it up, but it comes with these MP4 instructions inside of the plugins for each version of the plugin for configuring things. So that's actually very cool. So once again, this is the Ovani Sounds Infinite Echoes Ultimate Game Sounds and Music Bundle. It is cool that they always seem to release these and have no overlap with previous Humble bundles. And I also really love the quality of their content, but I asked the question to you guys. Have you been buying the Ovani stuff? Are you using it in your game or your project? Do you like their work? Are you like me? Do you appreciate that these bundles are always full of new stuff? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.